In this arrangement, the microbit is connected to two different environmental sensors. The Grove BME280 is measuring temperature, humidity and pressure. And the Grove DHT11 is measuring temperature and humidity. And in this configuration, the BME280 and the LCD are both going into a I2C hub, which goes into the I2C port, and it connects to microbit. So the way this works is that by pressing button A, you can select which set of sensors you want to see. And at the moment, D means it's on the microbit LED display, means that we're looking at the DHT11. And here are the parameters for that. And comparing the top line of the LCD is showing the native sensor in microbit. And you just under that, you get a DT measurement, which is the DHT11, and it's about 3 degrees lower than the temperature than the using the microbit sensor. And we're getting a humidity of 70 on that. Now if we want to select the other alternative sensor, that is the BME280, we select B. And here we can see that it's coming up now. Temperature is similar to the other one, and the humidity is a bit different. So this allows us to compare sensors with the BME and the DHT. If we want to log all that onto Excel, we use button B and it starts the logging process. So we're using web on this computer. It's collecting all the data from those sensors, and they can be downloaded onto Excel. And to have a look at the code for all of this, here it is here. We've set up the code with a startup routine on the left, and the forever loop just goes around getting the data from the BME and the DHT sensor. And if we select mode 1, we show on the LCD the BME 280 data, or alternatively we show the DHT. And if we have the log on, if the log flag is set, we then output that to our USB serial port. And the rest of it is either looking at getting the data on the next column, or the next column actually shows the data on the LCD screen. And finally, on the right column, we're looking at processing information, or processing when we press button A or B. And that's it.